Ascend at Pathstone is a brand new apartment community in West Pensacola, Florida, near the University of West Florida, with 1, 2, and 3-bedroom floor plans. The pool scene highlights the resort-style pool with lounge chairs and the outdoor poolside kitchen with grilling stations, 2 named outdoor amenities at Ascend at Pathstone. The fitness center sequence matches the expansive 24-hour fitness center with a flex room and kids areas that add practical space beyond the equipment floor. Inside the clubhouse, the great room with refreshments and billiards table connects to the Wi-Fi lounge and smoke-free living details listed for Ascend at Pathstone. The dog-friendly visuals align with the official pet policy, including cats and dogs allowed, a dog park, private dog yards, and a 3-pet limit. For leasing information, Ascend at Pathstone lists 8533 Riverstone Drive in Pensacola, ascendatpathstone.com, and 850-754-9149.